Hello guys, as you can see I am into knitting machine these days, and I've been looking for something that would hold the leg of my 22 pin knitting machine, and I found this online. The size is about 4.5 centimeters, and I'm going to place it on the bottom of each feet of this 22 pin knitting machine, and let's hope that it works. So I just have to remove the foam tape that comes with this knitting machine when I bought it. And then I'm going to stick one onto each of the feet. So, moment of truth, I hope this one works. So let's try it on this smooth surface. So this one is made of wood, by the way, and I think it will also work best on glass and on other very smooth surfaces. So far it's not moving around, which is nice. And let us try cranking to see if it's working. Oh my gosh, I think it's working now. And it's stable. Now let's try it with yarns. Oh my god, it's working. So I'm happy that I bought this phone section holders. Actually, it was on my mind when I saw it online, and the size is smaller. So I guess you can buy one online and try this hack so that it will help you when you're using the machine, so that it will keep it stable and not moving around, as you can see. Anyway guys, for more tips, hacks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials as well. Bye bye! Because I'm excited, I also made a twist headband.